Honey, often referred to as liquid gold, is not just a delicious natural sweetener, but also a powerhouse of benefits for your skin. For centuries, honey has been used in skincare routines across various cultures due to its remarkable healing properties and myriad benefits. In this article, we'll explore the most important benefits of using honey for your skin and provide you with practical tips on how to incorporate it into your skincare regimen. Benefits of honey for your skin. Honey is a natural humectant, meaning it attracts moisture to the skin, keeping it hydrated and supple. It also has antibacterial properties that can help prevent acne and soothe skin irritations. Natural moisturizer. Honey is a natural humectant, meaning it draws moisture from the air into the skin and ensures it's retained in the layers where it's needed most. This hydrating property makes honey an excellent choice for dry and sensitive skin. Regular use can help maintain skin hydration and give your skin a soft, supple appearance. Antibacterial properties. One of the standout features of honey is its antibacterial properties. Honey contains hydrogen peroxide, which gives it the ability to kill harmful bacteria. This makes it particularly effective for acne-prone skin. It helps to reduce breakouts and prevent new ones from forming by keeping the skin free of harmful bacteria. Rich in antioxidants. Honey is packed with antioxidants, which are essential for protecting the skin from free radical damage. Free radicals can cause premature aging, including wrinkles, fine lines, and sagging skin. The antioxidants in honey help to neutralize these free radicals, promoting a youthful and radiant complexion. Healing properties. Honey is known for its wound healing properties. It can help accelerate the healing process of minor cuts, abrasions, and even burns. When applied to the skin, honey promotes tissue regeneration and reduces inflammation, making it a great natural remedy for scars and blemishes. Gentle exfoliation. Honey contains natural enzymes that gently exfoliate the skin. This helps to remove dead skin cells and unclog pores, leading to a brighter and clearer complexion. Unlike harsh chemical exfoliants, honey is gentle on the skin and can be used by those with sensitive skin. Anti-inflammatory effects. The anti-inflammatory properties of honey can help to calm and soothe irritated skin. Whether you're dealing with redness, eczema, or psoriasis, honey can provide relief and reduce the severity of these conditions. It also helps to reduce swelling and inflammation associated with acne.